Hello my friends, welcome to Canadian Immigration Channel. In our previous videos we spoke about co-op experience, whether or not to go for it, whether or not to actually pay for co-op studies, because at the end of the day many academic institutions, what they're doing, they're charging you for a co-op semester, and at the same time they're asking you to find yourself an employer. So in other words, for your own money you're looking to find an employer, and this will be considered to be a paid semester in an academic institution, which is absolutely unfair in my personal opinion. But we spoke about it in the previous videos, and we spoke about how to select an academic institution, what to do with this, what kind of questions to ask. Now for those of you who are still keen to go for a co-op, please remember one important point, because sometimes people don't consider this when they're calculating their points in express entry, when they're not considering application for immigration to Canada. Co-op work experience, whether it's part-time or full-time, is not calculated as a Canadian work experience. Despite the fact that you're working for a Canadian company, despite the fact that you might be paid as a Canadian worker, it's still not considered to be Canadian work experience. This is the law, nothing to do with this, right? So there is absolutely no way around these circumstances, and if you were working, if you had this co-op experience, it will not be counted as Canadian work experience. It will not be considered. So before going for a co-op program, before enrolling into this, calculate your points accordingly, whether or not you will have enough afterwards. The only thing where actually co-op may help you, you will have Canadian work experience in your resume, not in your express entry system, right? Which presumably, of course, allow you to get or present yourself better for a prospective employer after you graduate, after you get yourself a postgraduate work permit. Now, whether or not it's worth your money and your time, it's up to you to decide. If you want to consider various programs, feel free to send us a line and we'll be able to sit face to face and discuss your opportunities and options. Stay tuned with us, and of course subscribe to the channel.